On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Ooh, what's going on? Good morning. How we all doing? Alexo Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, gang. What an amazing Monday. Can we make some more money? Let's see how it goes. It is beautiful. And it is 8:18. What a beautiful day. Let's get into it. Shout out to you guys. What's going on? How are we all doing? Are we having a good day or what? Like, let's start it off with a bang. Lotmo Crypto says, let's get it. What's going on, man? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Alexandra G in the chat. What's going on? Hope you got into work safe. Always wishing Alexandra G a safe drive into work. Let's get after it relentlessly. Says, forget about it. Forget about it. I love it. I love the name. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you. One of the real OGs in the gang. Good to see you. Luke Zaldana. Good morning, Otter Gang. Let's get ready to make some Otter scratch. Much love to everyone. Much love to you, man. Thank you for being here. Crypto Josh, Chad, Wix Racing. Good to see you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you, Crypto Josh. Matrix. Are we doing some Neo dodging bullet moves this morning? We'll have to wait and see. We got Jeet Corp in here. Good morning, Otterly family. What's going on, man? What's going on, Bapster? Good morning. We're getting a little bit of a push right now. We're going to have to jump into those charts. We got a whole bunch of people here. What's going on, guys? Ooh-wee. So, as we know, yesterday was not able to trade and to make all this beautiful money that was in front of us. We did have a couple of setups, which was, accurate to a point. Like, you get into the charts and you give setups, but you can't always be active. I'm not 24/7. You know what I mean? We have a newborn son and all of that. So the idea was the short from here, which was a banger, and then the long from down here, okay, which was absolutely incredible. Nonetheless, we have since pushed up, okay? So since pushing up, we have created a lot of liquidity on the way up. So we're very aware of that. So in my opinion, see, this is the thing with big moves, right? You get these kind of Bart Simpson moves that we've been getting quite frequently, okay? That once you do that, you tend to leave, all of this stuff behind that wants to be taken, and it gets taken again, right? So, are we gonna head down? I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but liquidity might suggest we do go down. Okay, a lot of you guys want to be Magneto. It seems like so. I guess all you absolute legends, we can. This is about as close to Magneto as I will ever get. Okay, that's my toupee, by the way. That's my toupee. Put a 1 in the chat if you think I should live stream like Magneto all day. Oh man, this would be a look. This would be a look. Let's say good morning to him. How can you say this is not financial advice without saying this is not financial advice? This is it right here. All right. There's, as a dad, there becomes a level of like no shame. Like I'm so ready to wear my dad's slippers into Walmart now. Like I'm so ready to wear those plaid tartan flannel I guess pants, for sleeping into Walmart. Like I'm ready to do it. I'm ready. I think I'm ready. I'm ready to wear Crocs. No, I'm not there. I'm not there. I'm on my Adam Sandler era. Absolutely. I mean, the price is wrong, Bob. The price is wrong. Happy Gilmore, Adam Sandler, man. Mr. Deeds in the 90s. I like feet. Oh, man. Too much good Sandler movies back in the day. What's going on, Chris Klein? Good to see you. Good morning to you. Good morning, Walsh Jesse. Good morning, man. How are we doing? Chris Klein, we missed you, man. Forget about it. Let's get after it. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Clay the Great, good to see you, my friend. Luke Bailey, OG Blockchain. What's going on? Hugo Crypto. What's going on? Bird Next Door. IKO. What's going on? MBF Forum. Good to see you. Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Ladies and gentlemen, Guile is in the chat. Guile's like the cool version of Kyle, just so you guys are clear on that. Clay the Great, good to see you. DDT, he's lurking and working. Good to see you, man. Wolverine is still the best. Yeah, I'm a big Wolverine fan. Always have been since I was a wee little lad. Okay, a wee little lad. All you guys want me to wear my hair like that. I don't think I can. I'm not ready for that. I said I'm ready for the dad life, like wearing the slippers into Walmart or wearing your pajama pants into Walmart. That was the word I was looking for earlier. Good to see you guys. Clout, good to see you as well. Little Fish, good morning to you, my man. Red Man, good morning. Maybe a Band-Aid, good morning. Okay, good to see you guys. Rowley, absolute legends in here. So, as we proceed to give you what you need, we know that we have all the data, or let's call it data, because it's going to be intense tomorrow morning. So we will be going live tomorrow morning. 8:30. So we'll go live at 8. I think 8:10, 8:15. Yeah, because we got all the inflation data tomorrow. Now I'm getting a root canal. You guys are like, what's wrong with Alex, man? This guy getting all this work done. I'm getting a root canal tomorrow evening. Oh, man. Let me know if you guys have ever had a root canal. I've never had a root canal. There's my meter going off. My back tooth in Australia, I bit down on some granola and it cracked. And then they did like some repair on it with some I don't know. Anyways, it continuously gets like sore, and then I get like a shooting pain up the side of my head. Okay. And then it goes away. Then it comes back, and like nothing worse than a toothache. I'm telling you, like stubbing your toe, a toothache, an earache. It's horrible. So, tomorrow evening, I'm getting a root canal. So I don't know where that's gonna make me in the grand scheme of quality. Okay, but for me, we will be prepared tomorrow morning, and then we will be in fear, not greed, fear, going into the evening. Oh man, but hey, got to deal with it. You got to deal with it because honestly, it's just like getting to the point where it's annoying, and I didn't want to get it done until my son, 3 weeks, at least, we're kind of settled in with the baby. So it's not going to be a fun time. I mean, anything, a tooth, we need to see the frozen mouth, Alex talking. Okay, we'll do it. Well, I'm sure it will still be. You sure you buy, sell. Pull it instead. Oh man. I want to save my tooth. It's my chomping tooth. It's my very back left one. Okay. I got my wisdoms removed, but I've been chewing on this side for so long now to try and not hurt this side. And I mean, it will be a stream of ums. Yes, it is a stream of ums. Yeah. I think I'm a little bit underslept today, but that's okay. I'm getting used to being a dad. Okay. We'll crank it up. We're going to account for today. I'm just typing it now. I figured it's a lot easier to type. Thank you, Bird Next Door, for reminding me to be better. I appreciate you, bro. Driving and listening. Thank you, Redman. Thank you for listening. Open mouth thumbnail and then we just go live and start. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh, good to see you, Dave Digital. He says he's like 31. Who's gonna be like 33? Who's gonna be like 34? Oh man, thank you guys for smashing that like button, supporting the channel. We'll get after it. So, what happened last night? Well, we did a little quick update after our charity golf game yesterday. We had this breakout, gave the short, gave the long in the premium Discord. Then we came up here. We continued to bounce. We came into our liquidity zone, and actually a perfect tap into my support and resistance level. So if we're looking at that, we can simply see, oof, look at that, to the T, like to the T. I love it, to the T. Oh man, that's sexy. Anyways, rejection, back down to the order block, continuation. Now I did give a couple of ideas in the Discord in my trading section, which was on Solana, Ethereum. So Solana played out, okay, quite nicely. Came down to a bounce level. Now these are ideas. Like if you're a part of the Otter family and you're a premium member, these are ideas. So you got to take these and apply your own strategies to them. I'm just giving you key levels of where I'm looking for bounces. You can see Ethereum, we gave one much lower. It did not come down all the way down here, but that would have been the key level. Ethereum, in my opinion, right now is at a very macro level of support. Okay, so if you zoom out here, you can see that we are at this like macro level of support. So it might be, I'm not saying this is not financial advice, but might be a possibly good buy going into maybe a bull run, maybe an extra little pump. We'll have to wait and find out, right? Okay, so that's just something I'm keeping my eyes on. Injective, we missed it by a bit, but nonetheless, I mean, Injective absolutely tore faces last night. 7% move. Okay, we just missed it. We were looking down here. Oof. Okay. So we always give some ideas on altcoins. I'm not the biggest altcoin trader. However, I will swing trade them if the opportunity looks juicy. Okay. Are we looking for an SFO double top? Yes, sir. Yes, we are. Yes, I would love to see, I would love to see that. That would be absolutely gorgeous. You are on the money, Dave Digital. We are coming into a little bit of a rejection zone here as well locally. So if we go from swing high to swing low, we can see we do have a golden pocket here, which is in confluence with our support and resistance level as well. So we could be possibly looking for this morning, but we seem to be, if you risk here, then you're ruining yourself for this one if you do end up pumping, okay? So right now we wait. As per usual, we got to be patient. Patience will prevail. Tony Soprano can't stay just here to stay high and hit the like otter gang. Let's go. I would listen to Tony. Tony will make you an offer you probably can't refuse, okay? I'm going to get rid of this line here. Rejection here is bearish. The value area low for the entire range of the daily chart is 57.2. Yes. Yes. So we want to see us get above. We want to see closing above here, getting some beautiful, beautiful closures above. Where did Jonathan Shaver say? 57.2. Let me see if I agree with his level. It's always good to compare notes, as they say. And let's take a look here. We got 50. So I can see what Schaefer's coming in here with the volumes coming in here. Yeah, absolutely. It's giving me value area low here. I'm sure I could pull this back and get something similar to yours. Yeah. Okay. There we go. There we go. There is a massive amount of blockage. Okay. There is some blockage at 59,000. Okay. 59,000, in my opinion, would be the level to get above. Going into this data, you can see here. Okay. However, lots of liquidity created on the way up here, right? Look at this. This doesn't look sustainable, in my opinion. However, Bitcoin can stay irrational for forever, right? I mean, when it goes, right? So a little bit of patience will prevail. We are in a little bit of an uptrend right now, so let's be patient. Let's be patient and let price come to us, okay? Looking at our 4, our 3, our 2, our 1. Overextension, right? So we're up here, we're overextended. VWAP's resetting, which is good. Money is coming in, nice curvature on the 4 hour. As we go into like our 3, we're getting that red dot confirmation. A little bit of an attempt to get back above the 0 line here on our money flow. This is looking decent. However, I would like to see reset and continuation on our 3 hour. Our 2 hour has very nice curvature. I like curvature. Okay, when you get this curvature, you're typically looking for sort of like a ramping back up. So this could end up ramping back up here, especially with money coming over the green line here and VWAP crossing the 0 line. This, to me, looks like continuation bullish on our 2 hour here. So like we said, what are we looking for? We're looking for a possible SFP up at the top here, bearish divergence, right? So we get this and that. That's very much on the table for us to come back down to some key levels from people getting long yesterday. Okay. Also, we know that 59,000 right up in here, these pretty much these highs, this liquidity is still needs to be taken. So if we swing up to here, let's say 59.5, and then we get a rejection, I would expect us to at least revisit maybe 55. Okay, we're not out of the woods yet is what I'm really trying to say. So we have some key areas. We'll take what the price gives us, but nonetheless, we need to be patient here because of the amount of liquidity we've created on the way up, it just gives me cause for concern. Okay, cause for concern because typically this results in something like this before any of this. Okay, and understanding that tomorrow we have inflation rate, we should be patient here, right? That would be highly recommended. So you see a little bit of rolling here. Money flow is green on our hourly. We see a little dip of the toes, continuation up here. So this actually gives us a perfect little rejection setup for a possible anchor trigger wave back down. Okay, so we'll have to wait and see here. VWAP, yeah, coming up. Okay, so I'm seeing continuation first and then a rejection on market CIpher right now. The most worrisome, in my opinion, was it the 12-hour? The 12-hour VWAP coming down. Okay, this looks like it needs to reset before continuation up. Big anchor here, so I would like to see this, right? Inverse head and shoulders coming back into play longer term, right? This can take at least 3 to 4 days to play out. Okay, our daily is juicy, right? The daily was the call yesterday that we said, hey, VWAP crossover, big anchor wave here with the stochastics really front running it. Remember, I told you guys the stochastics can switch colors and give you a front run to a nice move. We got that on the daily, okay? And we were talking about that last week. Okay? So we'll see where we get to today. Try to make some money, extract some profits. Hope you guys are all doing well. And hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday morning. And that reminds me, Tuesday morning. So what do we got Tuesday mornings? We got Billy Goat Tales in the afternoon. Remember to go check out all our friends, Piper Academy, Crypto Face, and a $10 million long. I mean, crazy. Geo's crushing it. Flop and Groper is crushing it. What else can we say? The Market CIpher family, Miss Teen Crypto, Jason Casper, all crushing it lately. So it's good to see. Make sure that you guys are going and following them. Also, Billy Goat Tales at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. Okay, so friends of the channel, we love Billy Goat Tales and Billy and Redman, all the guys over there, complete family. We got the lovely Amy Lives Crypto going on tonight. Okay, so come over, check out Amy Lives Crypto. Amazing. I'm looking forward to it. Gonna grill her with some questions. Okay. We got 105 people in here and only 47 likes. Let's get those up. Let's see what we can crush today with us here as we push up. As we can see, we're making a little bit of a higher high right now. Oof, getting to the 3 minute. Holding VWAP, so that's a good sign. Nonetheless, yeah, I don't know what's volume. Where's volume at here? Are we in a decline of volume after yesterday? Okay, so we got a little bit coming in. Yeah, look at the ramping of volume in here. Okay. Okay, we're picking back up recently. So there's a little bit of a... I like to see momentum being created. So you can see as we drip down here, we got volume coming back in here, which was to buy it up. Okay, you can see buying it up. So buy pressure. That's a good signal to get long. Okay, and then you can see as we continued here, we flagged out, we broke out. We come back down. We continue to put in higher highs, higher lows. So this momentum is still sustainable to the upside. Okay, so it's very good to always kind of check your volume, which will give you a good idea of which way we can look for price to continue, right? Price to continue. We want to see that continuation to the upside. Let's go to our 24. Let's check out that. I'm sure there's tons of vector candles down below here, right here. Yeah, so typically we want to look for a retracement at least back into here, 55.6, 55.2. Okay, somewhere in here. We have some levels there as well that we are looking for. Okay, so the big sweep, in my opinion, if we sweep 54.5, that would be the sweep that I'm really looking for. Okay, that would give me confidence on continuation upwards. If we come back here and we pump. But Tuesdays we gotta be cautious here. I'm more looking for a rejection and continuation back down before we head further higher. Okay, getting a little push up right now as we speak. Let's see what we get. So we're banging our head on a key area right now, which is our support and resistance levels and our golden pocket of the local range. Okay, so right now, if it pushes through here, great. If it gets rejected from here, okay, if it gets rejected from here, I'm definitely going to be looking for a short. That would mean that we have price getting rejected, coming up in here, rejection. a lower high, coming in, getting short on that. We don't want to fight this uptrend right now. We just want to wait for confirmation of a reversal. Okay, we don't want to jump the gun, because the more ideal trade within this is going to be the swing failure pattern of the top with bearish divergence, where price comes up here, right? We get the bear div and then we come down. Okay, and then we look for a lower high there, and we get short there rather than here. Okay, so understanding that, hey, there's an opportunity to get short here, but we need to wait for confirmation because this is more juicy. Okay, so if this, then that. If this, then that. You got to prioritize where are your better setups, right? So for me, understanding that, hey, this would be a nice area to short. However, I need confirmation because this is very much still on the table. Okay, so we need to be patient here. Now, the long was down at the order block within here. Okay, we came in, grabbed this order block here. However, the long for the juiciness, in my opinion, is down in here, 55,000, right? This 55,000 area that we are looking for, okay? We do have the golden pocket of the local area here, which we didn't come down to, that we could look for a bounce as well. What? Joshua Lee Mallory, why am I long? You're long because you're a genius and you called the pump yesterday. I'm not sure, but I'm happy that you are long, and you should definitely know why you're long. But that's great, man. That's great, Josh. I'm glad you're long. Don't forget to pay yourself. Good to see you. I need to learn how to read these momentum waves better. Absolutely. I do have a bunch of market CIpher videos on the channel, so that I'm sure would help you. I believe Geo explains them pretty well, but momentum, think about it as, momentum is medium. We got VWAP, which is fast, and then we have money flow, which is slow, right? So you follow the money flow, you follow the money, as they say. You use your oscillator, which is your momentum, for divergences, for overbought, oversold, anchor trigger waves, and then you're looking for confirmation with VWAP posturing, right? So if VWAP's overextended here, you're looking for a little bit of rejection back down, right? If VWAP will kind of dictate the way, right? It'll give you confirmation on that bias, and then you can look at your stochastics within here, which also will give you posturing. You can see how the posturing is to the upside here as well. So it does take a little bit of time, but I'm telling you, it's easy mode once it all clicks for you, and it's gonna be a fun journey, man. I promise you that. Long since 56,150. Let's go. That's awesome. Love it. I love it. We did finally close that short yesterday in profits, which was pretty sweet. Do. All right, let's see if we can get a push here. Let's see if we can get a push. Okay. If you're new here, come over and hang out. We do have a paid version Discord, but we do have a free version Discord where Kyle really wants it to pump right now, where we have a whole bunch of like-minded traders working together. Even Charles Hoskin likes otters. Okay, this was pretty cool. Words can't express how happy otters can make you. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Don't you think? That's otter gang, man. He just realizing that now. And then be aware, my friends. There are a lot of open mouth thumbnails going around right now that you got to be careful. There's a big that was a big but this is going to create a lot of FOMO for no reason, okay? Stay away from shit like this, man. They want you to click, and they want you to watch, and they want you to buy their shit. That's it. They don't want to help you. They want to make money off of you. I came so prepared today. I feel like a good dad. What did I do? I packed a second lunch, okay? I packed a second lunch. Let's go. I brought a thermos to work today. Look at that. Look at that. So now I'm going to pour my extra coffee into my coffee mug. See? Let's go. This is Dad Gang. Let's go. I'm going to spill it. Hold my beer. Oh, the pour. Oh, yeah. Oh, guess what? I don't have to leave and go get a coffee. Look at this. Push into push into the golden pocket. Push into the golden pocket. We don't have to leave the stream. Dave Digital is proud. Look at that sweep right into our golden pocket. We should have taken that short, maybe. No. The volume coming in, that's good. Let's see if we do get a rejection here. Lower low. Lower high. All right. Let's see. Is there a little bear div in here? Oh, nope, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Look at that rejection right from our area this morning. Remember, if this and that, right? If this and that, we do have a little bit of a trend line coming up here. So if we do lose this trend line, retest and come down, quite possible. That was quite a nice sweep here into the golden pocket. Okay, we'll see if we do continue. I love making Dave proud. Bullish on parade. Good to see you. Fifi, third frog after Pee and Hoppy. Good to see you, Fifi. Good morning, Curtis Neal. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you. Retro Mike Tech in the chat. What's going on, man? What's going on? Joshua Lee, good to see you. NW, good to see you as well. Jungle Boy, good to see you. Don't you have a paid? Yeah, we do have a paid part of our Discord where we give TA trade setups, 3 traders, helping you guys make the money. There's a big again. I gotta watch those man. Where you're getting all the constant ideas, all the help you can absolutely get, and then a plethora of me bombarding you with charts and ideas and setups and letting you guys know when I go in. And it's obviously not financial advice. We want to teach you how to fish at the end of the day. But it's always nice to have a whole bunch of people working together as a community. And it's $1 a day. Like that's it. It's $1 a day. There's 20 working days in a week. So it's $1 a day. So bum 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 boom 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 boom. Let's go. There's your Curtis Neal, our dollar sucks. Or $2 Canadian is an American dollar. It's an American dollar, man. You gotta do the American dollars. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that rejection off the golden pocket. We're about to lose a low here. Okay. Okay, losing a low. Whew. Coming back down. Let's see if I would like to see it lose this low here. Okay. We got VWAP to contend with. We could be looking for a bounce off of this VWAP here. Toot toot. Let's see if it does come down. We could be looking to fire off along in the opposite direction here. So let's not be too biased, okay? Too biased. We could be looking to come back up here as well, okay? You don't want to up, down, all around. We love the volatility. We could have got short here this morning. Remember, we just want to wait for confirmation, okay? Lots of like trailing up here, very, very slow, and then that sweep, and then coming back down. So, but I do want to see a break of this structure down below here before I look to get long or short, I mean. So I need some, I figured the only thing this stream is really missing is some background music. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Do we need background music or do we need to just talk more? But I'm definitely in consideration for some background music. It's so hard to pick good music. Jonathan Schaefer says bear div. Okay, higher high, lower low. Very, very tight bear div, Schaefer. You are extrapolating some very tight bear divs here, my friend. That's very tight. Okay, Schaefer loves it tight, as we know. This is almost a Jesus take the wheel pattern. Okay, we almost got the Jesus take the wheel pattern. So this could be bullish. If anyone has a good music, non-copyright music suggestion, message me in the Discord, okay? Besides that, I don't have the time to go look for music. It's an absolute ish show, okay? We got 123 people in here. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. We're here trading live with you guys every single day, helping you guys make money, financial freedom. Thank you guys for being here. If you are new here, subscribe. Join us in the free Discord. If you want to take your trading to another level, join us in the paid membership. It's only $20. I'm just happy for you guys hanging out with me today. It's always an honor and a privilege. Okay, so roll over at the golden pocket rejection zone. Ugh. You know, you can kick yourself for not taking this. However, yeah, it's a bit aggressive, isn't it? We understand where liquidity resides, at least back down here at 56,500. Is ramping up a little bit right now. We can consider getting short. We just want to wait for confirmations, in my opinion. So let's be patient, right? Let's be patient. No FOMO. I think a lot of people are definitely in the group of missing out. Like, you think you've missed out. There's always an opportunity, right? All we have is up and down and time, right? So we want to make decisions that are going to benefit us making money, not necessarily FOMOing in. Okay, if a move occurs, we don't chase price. We redo our TA, or we adjust our TA, and we get a probability. Okay, and the probability we execute with good risk management, and by doing that, we can make some better money. Okay, it always has to come into probabilities and risk management, right? We understood that there was a short here this morning. It's not market open. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. Okay. The high I would like to see taken is up here. Okay, we get a little rejection. We could have scalped that down. Okay, we could have scalped that down. However, the trend is up. We want to see a break of structure and then the continuation down. We understand that down is probably more ideal right now because of how aggressive we've moved up. Okay, we've moved up aggressively, which creates a lot of liquidity on our way up, which allows us to say, hey, maybe, just maybe, we're going to come back and grab some of this stuff down here where we can look to possibly get long at. But right now, the idea is to come back down, okay? If we do come back down, we'll be looking for the short. But we want to wait for confirmation on the break of structure so that we are confirming a downtrend in the opposite direction, right? We don't want to be just pressing sell and then for price to come up and kick our ass, okay? We don't want to get our ass kicked. We want to protect ourselves. Is what I'm trying to get at. And the FOMO and chasing price, like, oh my God, the short was there. We could have made 0.5%. Okay, watch it come back on our ass right now. Right? We're above VWAP. The trend is up. We have a lot of continuation price action here. Money flows green, looking for this to push. The 1 hour is like the 1 and the 2 hour look like they still have a lot of room. Okay, the 1 has room up, VWAP up. 2 hour has nice curvature on it. Remember, we talked about that curvature to the upside. The 3 hour, the 4 hour looking a little bit toppy. Okay, a little bit toppy, but can stay indifferent if it holds VWAP here and money continues to push on the 4 hour. That could be bullish for the rest of the day. We understand that tomorrow, Wednesday, is a very important data-driven day. Okay, so we don't want to get overexposed going into tomorrow morning at 8:30. So we're going to go live at 8 a.m. tomorrow, and then we're going to get a root canal in the afternoon, and we'll see where we're at. Maybe we do a numb mouth live stream. That should be interesting. You could be looking for a potential long here, continuation. The risk to reward is not. I wouldn't say it's in your favor right now. I wouldn't say it's in your favor. You got to be something like this. I like when bears are scared. I love it when bears are scared. I love it when bears are scared and bulls are fearful. It's all fun. Root canal. Oof, good luck. Yeah, we got a root canal tomorrow evening. So we're going to come on here and talk. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it's going to be an interesting one tomorrow and the day after. Might need to take a day with the root canal coming in hard. I've been putting it off for about a year now. The baby came and I'm like, man, I can't with my baby boy. I can't just be injured and in pain because a toothache's just aggravating. It's just, and it's not like I'm like it was from me eating granola in Australia. When I was living in Australia, I bit down on like, it was almost, I think it was an almond. I don't know, but it was hard. And it cracked my back tooth in half, and then they tried to fix it. And they never really did a good job. Maybe that's Australian dentistry. I'm not trying to blame Australia for the dentistry they did. However, they looked at it, and where it cracked, it's really just like allowed the nerve to get hit. So it's like, oh, it's aggravating. It's just, and it's my very back left lower tooth. So it's going to be, I'm going to be doing the open mouth thumbnail tomorrow, friends. I'm going to be doing maybe I'll get a picture. I'll get a picture, and then we'll use it as the thumbnail for Thursday. What do you think? We use it for the open. I'll get a picture. I'll tell Mrs. Otter to take a picture of me when I'm like, nah, and then we'll use it for the thumbnail tomorrow. I bet you I get some clicks, eh? I bet you. Oh man, I bet you I get some clicks. I don't like this. I'm gonna wait for view up. I would love to see this upwards trend line lost, and then continuation down. Okay, it's almost 9 o'clock. We got 140 people in here. Thank you guys so much for being here. Alex O'Crypto, we trade every single Monday to Friday mornings. We try to get it done for you guys, try to help you guys build financial freedom. We share everything we got with you guys, and hopefully we can help you become a profitable trader, and then, I mean, you're printing money, baby. So we do have an amazing Discord. If you are new here, come and hang out. Lots of banter, lots of fun, but also a lot of trade setups and great ideas. So we'll be working together to kind of answer you if you're a new trader or anything like that. We're a community built on kindness first. So no, there are dumb questions, but there are no dumb questions as well. Okay. However, we'll answer the dumb ones as well. Invest in yourself, invest in us, and we'll try to help you as best as we can. We pride ourselves on kindness, honesty, and transparency. So we would love to have you come and hang out with us. Yeah, I don't like this. Just chop it around right here. We had the SFP up top, but we'll see where we get to. You get gassed for root canals? No, I'm not getting gassed. No, they'd probably just numb it. I'll be doing the Lincoln Park, and from there we'll see. We'll see. I think this trend line's throwing me off. I'm gonna get rid of this trend line. Let's get back to this 15-minute here. That was from down low here. Looking for this. I don't like that one. I'm gonna go from here across. I think more confluence with this. Or here across. Let me see. There it is. That's the one. We like multiple touches. So an SFP VWAP coming down here. A nice little move here. Nice little move off of the top here. Golden pocket rejection. Oh, this is continuation. VWAP starting to posture upwards. Ooh, do I take it? You'd have to be cheap here. You'd have to be very cheap. You'd have to be very cheap right now. I don't like this momentum. I like the VWAP here. We got 8 minute. 8 minute. 8 minute coming out. 10 minute. Yeah, all coming out. Bear stivs. Okay. 24. Yeah, rejection up top. Yeah, I don't like the short-term time frames for long right now. Don't like it. I don't like it. Hourly still has room to the downside if we do get rejected from here. No trade. No trade. This is no bueno. Okay. This is not on. Coming down to VWAP, maybe a bounce here. But that means we break structure to the downside. So nothing as of yet. Little laddering down into market open. I was looking at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is in a nice downtrend. This could break, okay? So always look at... I like looking at the NASDAQ because it can give you kind of a play into Bitcoin, okay? So NASDAQ here in this aggressive downtrend, but looking like it wants to break. Key level of support. If it does break, this could be bullish. Okay, something to keep our eyes on. Dixie, coming up to this rejection level, it has V-shape recovered. However, it is down. Okay, it is down. So if we do reject from here, this could be bullish as well. However, it does look like it wants to get up into this 102.2 area before continuation because it's never really gotten to this downwards trend line. So the Dixie is looking a little bit indecisive, very, very much ranging now instead of like this aggressive flagging of a downtrend, right? So if it gets up to here and then rejects, that would be more bullish in my opinion. Right now, it does look like it just wants to continue upwards. That's something to add into confluence into your trading day. So if the Dixie wants to break up, then you're looking for Bitcoin to roll down, right? So it's inverse correlated, not perfect, but a little insight to trading, right? It can give you a little bit of an idea. Now this, downwards trend line looking for the rejection on NASDAQ, maybe a double bottom and then continuation. Okay, but if we do break here, we could be looking for higher prices. Let's be a little bit more accurate. Maybe you could say that you have broken and you're looking to push out. Subjective. It's just confluence, right? We're not taking it for fact. Like it's not something we're just going to press buy or sell off of. It's just going to add a level of understanding of where we're at right now. Okay? It's just going to give us a little bit extra. We look at our heat maps. Where are we at? Green day yesterday. Okay, so we'll see how the market opens as well. And then obviously crypto had a very nice day, but right now everything's kind of retracing a little bit. So a little bit of patience. That's all it's telling me. Patience. Looking for this to hold. We'll see if we hold here. People are going to be getting long here. Why are people going to be getting long here? Because they missed this. People who aren't hanging out with us, they're probably like, man, I missed the move, man. We're going to 70,000. I'm just going to press buy. No, please don't do that, right? Please don't do that. We're not We're not those people, okay? For me, it's this, and then bang, we get long here, and then we take that thing up, okay? Spin on that thing. That was my thought. My swing thought yesterday when I was playing golf was hawk tua. So it was like, when I would, in my backswing, I'm like hawk, and then tua when I hit the ball. Oh, man. It makes you play pretty good golf, I'm telling you. It's a pretty good swing thought. It's the hawk tua. It was a profitable golf swing yesterday, okay? Nice save. You tell them toothless. Let's go. Oh, man. Toothless, yeah. Look at this rolling over, hidden VWAP. We have broken structure now, okay? This becomes more likely. Okay, so let's bump this one out of the way. Let's look for this one here. All right, we've broken structure. We've lost the trend line. A little bit of a rollover here. We're looking for the retracement. Back up into this order block up here. Hitting VWAP. Hitting VWAP, baby. Hitting VWAP. Okay. There is a nice support line here at 56,750, so be aware of that. 750. Come back up, baby. Come back up. We got 20 minutes till market opens. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. It means the world to me. It means the world to me. How much do you think BTC will dump this month? Well, we'd have to look at our monthly and where we're at. And right now, obviously, it's not looking good. September, baby. September. Whew. Rolling on a nice rollover here on Bitcoin. Wow. Maybe we should have taken that short, friends. Maybe we should have taken that short. That's okay. Ooh, big old John Wickety, Wickety. Okay, so volume came in there. That to me is a liquidity grab. That to me is a liquidity grab. We have swung down, grabbed these guys down in here, retesting the I'll be looking at 57,100 for a possible rejection here. 57,100. Something like this. We'll see if we can continue this down, looking to grab the liquidity down below in here, okay? So if we do come down, this would be the target for this trade. Let's see if we get that follow through. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? A little bit of a rollover down. Michael, what's up, homie? Brian McManus, good to see you. Sibel, good to see you. Can you please take a look at Reef? Reef. I think we can do that. How you doing, Sibel? Hope you're doing well. Don't chase price. This is pretty aggressive. I'd be doing something like this where I'm trying to track momentum, okay? Looking for it to come back to that momentum, right? Continuation. Retest to previous highs. Yeah, this is when something moves like this, the move is typically done. Okay? A lot of people say that here. Looking for that continuation, but big move. Big move. Coming out of bull divs down here into this area in here. So your typical resistance is going to be here and here and here and here. Okay? So yeah, you're looking for this in here if you retrace back down. That's kind of funny how that worked out. Retrace back up to previous highs. Yeah, you're looking for something like this. Continuation out, right? And then back up to the high. Keeping it simple. Keeping it simple. But right now it does look like we're rolling over. We'll see if we do get a bounce on Bitcoin here. Hopefully that helps you, Sibel. Just be patient. Don't be chasing this, please. Don't be chasing this. The move, I mean, big move, obviously. Big move. You want to participate, like, I don't know, do your own research, maybe buy on spot, okay? But please don't chase this. If anything, my job is to protect people. I feel like it's a protection thing. I just seen it too many times, man. Seen it too many times where people are... Things move quick, and it's like... Ugh. Sibel's already in from the bottom. Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations on your gains. Great job. Great job. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. You can see the bull divs like without even an oscillator. What's going on, Lunar Beaches? Crypto in the chat. LBC in the place to be. BC Port Corp. Over at Piper Academy. These guys go live early. I mean, early. So go and check out Piper Academy. They're over there. You guys know that there are Otter family members. If you want to be an Otter family member, come over and hang out with us in our Discord where we got all the goodies. The TA. We got questions for a video. Okay, so Stream Beats. Oh, here we go. We got CIpher. He wants us to play some. We'll have to check this out. I don't know about that. And you also want me to do an order book video. How I organize, how I keep my stuff all as tidy as I can be. I mean, as the TA evolves, you gotta pause and you gotta organize and then you gotta do it again, right? It's a constant battle. The object tree. The object tree is your friend. But you need to have, like, there's times where I don't have, like, my levels turned on and I miss it, right? And look at the level this morning, right? Like, that golden pocket matching up with the level, it's a fair trade setup, right? That would have been a nice banger this morning, okay? However, we didn't take it because it was early and it wasn't something for me. It wasn't for me. And looking back on it, obviously, you're like, damn, I should have taken that trade. But that's not what it's about. Short memory, onto the next one. Okay? Short memory, onto the next one. We got 15 minutes till market opens, guys. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. You've got a good heart, Alex. Thank you. I mean, it's all about kindness. It's all about giving back. I started this to learn for myself. Like, that's the whole reason why I started a YouTube channel, so that I could kind of curve my learning curve exponentially. Because when I'm talking to you guys, I get to learn myself, because it's like I'm hearing myself say it, therefore I'm able to implement it, because if I'm saying it, I got to practice what I preach. Correct? So it's helped me a lot on my trading journey. And it is a journey, and we all got to be aware that it does take time. This is not a get rich quick thing, okay? It's an investment. That's why you got to ask a lot of questions, and you got to take a lot of notes, and you got to be kind to yourself when you do take the losses, and you have to readjust and reset and take time away, and all these things will help you have longevity. I think longevity is going to be the key in any trading journey, is giving yourself a chance to trade again. You need to lower the leverage, lower the margin, and give yourself an opportunity to learn this craft. Okay? The money will come. The money will come. Let's go, Alexandra G. God bless you. Alexandra G gifting away 5 Alexo Crypto memberships. Thank you so much. Sibel, Alan Mattel, verified trader. More 10, Jay Becker, welcome to the Otter Gang, gang. Thank you so much, Alexandra G, for your kindness, supporting the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nick Otter G, let's go. Let's go. Watch out. The Axe is in the channel. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Good to see you, my brother. Okay, coming down to a key level of support here. Okay. We got 13 minutes, key level of support here. Possible. Let's go swing low to swing high here. We got confluence in here as well for a possible long. Could be an idea. Could be an idea. I don't like to break the structure. Coming down, grabbing this little mini order block in here. Key level of support. No, I'm not taking this either. I'm gonna wait. This is too juicy down in here. Way too juicy. Okay? This is way too juicy down here. We wait. We're fighting between the support and resistance here. So support now and the VWAP. So you can see it's just kind of bouncing in between here. We've lost this key level here, so let's get rid of that. And let's keep it just in case we do retrace back up. We could be looking for a potential. When we get a low in here, we can pull a fib. So once we get a low down here and we start to push up, we can pull a fib from swing high to swing low and get our golden pocket and look for that continuation downwards, okay? We got to wait for the low to come in, though. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. See, the break of structure is key in this. So you can see break of structure up. You're looking for the retrace continuation. That would have probably been a 382 from swing low to swing high. 382 continuation. So if you were to pull this, in hindsight, you wait for your high to come in. You go to your high, your 382 continuation right there, and then your bounce and continuation up and out. Okay? Let's wait. Getting a little bounce off of the support here. To be expected. VWAP resistance above us. Chad, it's in the YouTube settings. What's going on? Luke Zaldana about to hit 56K, then bull div, up, and away. Let's go, Luke. Let's go. Curtis Neal in here biting his nails. You ain't worried? I jumped in and then back out. The Dusty Hunt, good morning. I like your name, by the way. Crypto Josh doesn't even want to touch this till 58.4 or 55.400. Okay, I like that. He wants to see that. Yeah, he wants to see that liquidity grab up in here. I like that. I like that, Josh. I agree with Josh in a more longer term basis. I agree with that. Looking for that continuation push here. Okay. I'll be right back. Just give me 1 second. Where did he go? 84 likes. Yeah, I think we could smash that up. 84. If we get that up to 100, that's pretty awesome, man. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so we're bouncing around. We got about five minutes till market opens. NASDAQ looks like it wants to break out. Dixie, very similar. Should retrace, though, so we'll have to wait and find out. A little bit of chop suey here. Coming down, grabbing some liquidity. Bouncing off VWAP here. Very indecisive, in my opinion. CIpher pointed out the very toit 15-minute bearish divergence. Okay, very toit. Okay. Think it's going to be a good week if we check the daily. Yeah, absolutely. We went over the daily, and it does look quite juicy. We were talking about the daily stochastics here flipping green way back on Friday last week, and how this was going to give us some sort of front running, understanding a lower or a higher low coming in on the VWAP, pushing price up, okay? And then the front run here on stochastics with momentum getting a little bit overextended. That was the thought. And money remaining green. So really giving us kind of a story beforehand to follow a narrative to the upside. And we definitely got that upside. So now, if we're zooming out a little bit on where we're at right now, right, you can see we're in some sort of ugly triangle here. And as we proceed to give you what you need, we could look for this to break up. But in my opinion right now, the move is more likely to 55 before 58. Okay, so that's something I'm definitely going to keep in mind. Thank you guys for being here, smashing that like button. Amazing live stream, guys. Thank you for being here. Pretty awesome. I would love to get. We haven't got to 100 likes in quite some time, so that would be pretty awesome. Yeah, that 4 hour. See, the 4 hours pushing. VWAP needs to reset. We have the red dot confirmation on the 4 hour, but if you look at the 1 and the 2, there's a little bit of hopium here with green money flow on the 1, and the 2 has this nice curvature, right? Where you see curvature happening here, flattening out. However, something to be cautious about, getting overly bullish after a move such as this, okay? Such as this, because we know if we look at our heat map, we know where our liquidity is residing, right? Yes, we've moved up here. It is to the upside, but we've left kind of, in my opinion, this 55, this 53.5 area behind without really having a retracement into that zone. Okay. Thank you guys for being here. This is pretty incredible to see all your beautiful faces today. We're at 95 likes. Let's go. You guys got it. Come on. Come on. I see you unliking and liking this stream. My God. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, just rejection off of VWAP right now. No real decision going into market open. We'll have to see how it reacts. A cat ears pattern. Yeah, I see you there. I see you there. Right? Meow. I see you. There's a million ways to skin a cat, right? Are you allowed to say that on YouTube anymore? Let's go. We got 103 likes, guys. Thank you so much for smashing that like button. Otter's in the chat. Otter gang, come over and hang out with us in the Discord free section, paid section. It's the cheapest Discord around, man. It's $1 a day, $20 a month. I mean, come on. It's incredible. Good to see all you people, all you new people coming in here, hanging out. Otter gang. Even Charles is going to eventually be part of the Otter gang. That's such a good community. I mean, I will protect it with my life. We've worked really hard over the past couple years to create a strong foundation of like-minded people who are absolutely incredible people supporting the channel, helping us all work together to make a life of financial freedom. And it's a beautiful thing. It is a beautiful thing. Community is everything, and I believe everybody who's part of our community, we all work tirelessly to defend it and also trying to help people create that mindset and that life of financial freedom for each other. So it's pretty sweet. I'm honored to be part of it. And, you know, it's crazy, you know, when the Otter gang started, it was like on a whim, just like anything. And it was just like, let's try to make the best community out of kindness and honesty and transparency. And it was just a trudge. It was a trudge. I was streaming to like 4 people, Jonathan Schaefer being one of them. And from there, we consistently showed up every day. That's it. We just showed up Monday to Friday, live streams, tried our best, started with the open mouth thumbnails. We refuse to do open mouth thumbnails now. However, I needed to kind of find my way. I mean, shitty camera, all that stuff. It was lots of fun. I mean, the first. Look at this. Look at this
right.
chump.
Where are we at with this
I didn't
bearishness? Roar. I'm in Australia. You're waking up. The
Oh,
Bears are
man.
in Canada. That's why we left. Now we're dealing with
I was
Anaconda.
so nervous.
All right, Alex O Crypto. Let's get some levels.
I
Let's
was
get some levels.
so
As you can
nervous.
see, Bibit's got some Scamwicks online for us here.
Oh, man.
Drop a comment, Scamwick.
But I got you to click with my open mouth thumbnails. Oh, man. Good times. And now we just banging trades and making money. Banging trades, making money. That's what it's all about. Tank tops. Tank tops and crane poses. Yeah. We had Australian internet is absolutely atrocious. So I used to get Mrs. Otter to stand on the balcony with her modem and try to get the sun gods to bless our Wi-Fi connection. And oh man. Good times. Randy, good morning to you. Adam Cohen, where do we go to purchase the premium in Discord? Yeah, so the premium is just over here in memberships. If you just go over here, membership, just click here. Go to subscription page, okay? I can copy the link and throw it in here if you want. There you go. Uh-oh. Tony Soprano, before and after pictures. So we got the Mexican snow dust. We got the twerking, nodding people, and we have the binge drinkers, and then we have the otters. My God, you guys are something. You guys are something. Okay, pushing back up here. Market's open. Market is open, my friends. Market is open. What does S&P do? Did it gap up? S&P gapped up. Okay. S&P gapping up. Market opens a little bit of a pushback here on our 1 minute bull div. 1 minute bull div pushing back in. Coming up to a resistance level. Okay. 1 minute bull div pushing up at a key level of support. Pushing up. Not something I'm looking to trade just yet. We want to see direction. A little bit of patience right now. Let's see if it does come up to our trend line here. Bang its head off the top. VWAP's going to be holding strong here, as we can see. I need to see a lower high come in somewhere around this area. We have broken structure to the downside. However, we are getting a push back through VWAP. We'll see if we do get that continuation. Stock market. Okay. Nothing really to tell from here. Dixie. Dixie's flat. Looks like we do have a little bit of a pushback here on our 24 or on our 15 minute. Our 24 still room to the downside, okay? Little rejection off of VWAP here. But we're caught within this range here. We got the VWAP here. We got a key level of support here. So this is not something I want to trade in. I just want to be patient right now. I want to be patient. See what price does. Okay. I would like to see us come at least down to 56 here. We'll see if we do roll over. Okay. We're getting a little bit of a follow through here. This looks aggressive. This does look aggressive. We could have shorted the VWAP. Not something I'm looking for just yet. A little sweep of the lows. Sweep of the lows. Sweep of the lows. Okay, for now, let's see how we react off the golden pocket down here. So there's going to be naturally a golden pocket in here. 786 bounce. $786 bounce opportunity maybe. Okay, nice little roll over here on Bitcoin. Coming down, grabbing some liquidity. Definitely a nice move. We'll see if it can continue to push down. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. If you are new here, we do have a free Discord and a paid Discord, but the free Discord's plenty good as well. If you're new to trading, come in and ask some questions. We would love to help you, support you on your trading journey. Okay. Look at this liquidity grab. Okay. Okay. I see you. See, people are getting short here. People are getting short off of this rejection. This looks like bull divs pushing back up in an uptrend. Okay. We are very cooked here on VWAP here on our 24. Yeah, we're filling this order block right now. So a little bit of patience. A little bit of patience. That's all. Possibly looking to get long down here. 56,400, 56,450. Possible long, 56,450. Got to be able to protect yourself, okay? So where's the invalidation point? Invalidation point is this low here, right? So then we can be cheap. We can manage our risk here. So if we roll over here, right? What would be ideal is if we come down lower. Okay, if we come down lower, and maybe we bull div out of here. So we go 12-minute, look for a momentum wave down below here, right? We get a swing down below here. So this would come deeper like this. Or this would be shorter, sorry. This would be like this, and this would be like this. Okay, hidden bull div. We'll see if we get it. Remember, they take the elevator down, right? So this could be quite aggressively quick into a key level. So we'll see how the market reacts right now. Looks as though we're rolling over, okay? So, however, we're not chasing price, just being patient right now, letting price come to us. We'll see. 450, I said. Looking at 450 for a potential long. Gonna get rid of the short for now. We'll see. We'll park the short over here if we find one. Pretty aggressive downtrend, so let's track the momentum to the downside, guys. Always doing this along the way. Okay, so you go up to the high here. You got a significant low now. So we're tracking this down for a breakout retest continuation out, right? That's what it's for. It's for either moving your stop loss, right? Invalidating this downtrend. It's for a breakout retest continuation up. Okay? Just tracking the momentum, not trading based off the trend line, just understanding that we are heading down right now and we want to see this break, right? So we can look for potential opportunities up and out. Okay? Up and out. Balance in the force so far. We can see Apple's down, Nvidia's down a little bit, so things are looking a little bit grim for the markets. Let's go to S&P. Yep, so opening up, closing down, rolling over. Okay, so a little bit of downwards action here today. NASDAQ getting a little bit of a rejection. Dixie, what's the Dixie saying? Dixie's flat. Okay, that's fine. Dixie's flat, no real decision here on Dixie, just basically flagging out. So we'll see how it reacts. Let's go back to Bitcoin, rolling over a little bit here. We'll see if we can get down to this level here. We're below VWAP now. I guess the trade was to short VWAP into a rejection. However, like I said, in this situation here, we are stuck in between a support and a resistance where you can pinball between this area, okay? Like it did. It pinballed between it before making a decision. So you could be wrong here and it could break up, okay? Yes, we have broken structure to the downside, so this downtrend is imminent, but nonetheless, you're stuck in between here. You get market open, you could rip to the upside before you head down, okay? That's why you don't trade this. It's not gift wrap. You want to wait for your nice gift wrap trade setups. You don't want to be fighting all day with price action. Okay. What's going on, Martina? Good morning to you. Gary Gensler, what's going on in here? We all having fun, Gary. You are a security. We got 115 likes almost. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the stream. It's It's incredible to be out here working with you guys to make some money as per usual. Tomorrow, we got inflation data. It's going to be an interesting one. Nonetheless, we'll be prepared. And then we'll be getting a root canal. That's the story of my life right now. We played beautiful charity golf tournament yesterday. We played really well, actually. It was lots of fun and for a good cause. Now, get back into the charts, and we missed the pump yesterday, which is okay. Look at the pushback. Look at this pushback into resistance here. Okay, a little bit of a pushback. We'll see. I like this. I like this. Ooh-wee. It's coming back for some people getting short here. We got the debate today as well. Yeah, we got the presidential debate where Kamala and Donald will hopefully talk about Bitcoin. That's all we can hope for. Hopefully they just say Bitcoin to the moon. And that's it. Sorry, dude. Best we make trade to pay. Yes, we always need to pay for. I mean, the tooth needed to come out for a year, bro. That was a big and it's been hurting the past couple months, and obviously we had the birth of our child, so it wasn't a time to go and get a root canal. Now that the dust has settled a little bit, consider I'm getting it done tomorrow. So the root canal is happening tomorrow. I'm not looking forward to it. Anything to do with teeth is, I'm not like bad when I go to the dentist, like do your thing, clean my damn teeth. I've only had like a couple cavities my whole life, so I mean, make sure you floss. And now it's all because of Australian granola. We're blaming Australian granola for breaking my tooth. My back left tooth, man. It's going to be an open mouth thumbnail tomorrow. Get in there. So the market's kind of settling right now, okay? We're getting a pushback on NASDAQ, which is a good sign. A little bit of strength coming in here. A little bit of strength. I like that. We're getting bull divs across the charts here. Give me the bull divs. Okay, yeah. Bull divs here. A little bit of bottoming out. This is a 1 minute chart, by the way. So if we do, let's put in a low here. If we break structure like this, we look for that retest continuation out. That's a possibility right now, especially with bull divs. Remember we said the 24 looks, it needs some time here. It needs some time. The 1 hour needs some time. A little bit of time to play down. Play it down. Downplay it. Got to downplay the bearish trend here. Okay? Roll out and then bounce, baby. Then bounce. I'm looking for a long now. Looking for the long within the next hour. We'll see. I don't like the 2 hour stochastics, but I do like the ramping here. I would like to see 56.5. Please give us 56.5. That would be much more healthier, in my opinion, for price action to come down there. I mean, this in here would be the best. 56,000. 56,000 would be a dream. What do you think Kamala is going to say in the debate? All you do, Donald, is go for spray tans and say you're going to build a wall and that's it, Orange Man. I don't know what you think she's going to change her accent about 5 times during the debate? She going to talk like this, then she's going to talk like this, then she's going to talk like this, and then she's going to talk like this. I don't know. What is will be will always be. Whatever the hell she says. Oh man. I mean, I can't say shit. I'm in Canada here watching Justin Trudeau. Oh man. Oh man. That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say. If you're from Canada, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So we'll see what goes on. Okay. Come on. Bitcoin, don't be greedy here, Bitcoin. Don't just reverse right now. You got to come down a little bit further. A little bit further, baby. You got it. You got it. I believe in you. Nick says, I'm out. See you in the Discord. Much love, bro. Much love. That's Nick Musgrave, one of our sheriffs in the Discord, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for supporting the channel, supporting the community. I appreciate you, bro. Luke Zaldana says, I'm in for a cheap trade. Are you long? Are you short? What are you in? I don't see a trade just now. As long as it's cheap. Maybe you're in here. Cheap. Born in Canada. If you know, you know. That's the one, man. That's the one. Oh man, poor Canada, man. A beautiful country. He's long. He's long. He's getting the friction on. Let's go, Luke Zaldana. Pump the bags for Luke. Let's go, Luke. Don't forget to pay yourself. I can see the bull div here. Coming back up for a little bit of a grab. VWAP's gonna be a bitch to get above though. I want to see stronger momentum. In here would be better for me, just for my trading style. Down in here. Risk to reward too. Like, I could see you taking that back up to this order block within here, right? So you could take it back up into here, about 57,150. But yeah, not convinced. Momentum isn't even broken yet either. I'm not saying it can't go up. I'm not saying it can't go up. I'm not trying to fudge you or scare you out of your position. Just trying to be what I'm looking at right now. We get a nice triple bottom here. That would be beautiful. I'd look to fire off then. Two-hour rolling over. I don't like the 2 hour now. This is rolling over now instead of rolling up. It says, Alex, pay attention. Be careful right now. Okay, that's what it tells me. 1 hour. Yeah, anchor trigger. Anchor trigger says we're rolling. Okay. When we look at this, right, what can we say? We can say that, hey, we've moved up aggressively. We've grabbed some liquidity up here, but when we move up aggressively, what goes up must come down. If that's the story that we've been telling ourselves, what goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. Okay, what goes down must come up. Right? It's liquidity grab central. It's Bart Simpson world. So we should be looking for a Bart Simpson here. Correct? So getting short right now is, in my opinion, more ideal, but we'll have to wait and find out. Good morning, No. No says good morning to you guys. Hopefully you guys are all having a wonderful day. Do you notice that a lot of us market cipher traders trade very similar? I hope this works out long term for us. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I think the thing that really allows market cipher to shine is being able to identify key areas of interest and understanding price action. So if I'm looking for this short up here, right? Bearish divergence, 50-minute time frame at a key level. We had a key level here. We also had a golden pocket from up here, right? So we had a golden pocket, a key level, bearish divergence. That would have given us the short. We didn't take it because it was early and we just weren't feeling it right then. However, I think the thing that separates the market cipher strategies is being able to identify key areas, trend, where we're looking for price to kind of react on, and that will separate you from the pack, I think. But yes, I do recognize what you're talking about. It's very similar, but it's also up to you as a trader to make better decisions. I think when you're able to be patient with market cipher and really understand what to look for and add that patience to your trading strategy, that's where your probabilities probably go from being a break-even trader, 50-50, to, a 60, 70, 80% profitable trader. Okay? And then it comes down to managing your position size and your risk. Okay? It doesn't matter if we're getting short here, if we're not paying ourselves, if we do come back, or whatever, over leveraged, yada, yada, yada. You guys get the drift. So there's a lot that goes into it. But yes, I love market cipher it's because a lot of people think it's simple, and it's not simple. What it is a tool. So me as a carpenter for 13 odd years, you need a good tool. Okay, I'm not going to go and buy a new hammer that I haven't used before. Okay, I'm going to use the same hammer that I've been using for years that has worked well for me, okay? And this is my big ass hammer, right? And I'm one-shotting nails, okay? But you need good tools in order to make good decisions, and by doing that, you can produce good work, okay? And with good work comes good profits. Indecision here. Triple bottom. We'll see if we can continue to push. Money is indecisive right now. Okay, we're breaking out of this downtrend. Can you check TRX and XRM, please? I'm XOT, please. Clev Virgo, good to see you. Right now we're going to be watching BTC. How much do you risk per trade? 3 to 5% of portfolio, depending on the setup. Okay? You shouldn't be risking more than that. I mean, if your plan is to ladder into a position, if it's a swing trade, it's a different story. You can look at 10% if you're looking to get in here, here, and here. Okay, but it's not that. It's not favorable to be risking more than that. You want to have longevity. I always talk about having longevity in this game and looking for that learning curve. Time in the market, not time in the market. That also applies to trading. Okay. VWAP rejection, trying to break out here. Check my calls in the Discord. Oh, thanks for being in the Discord. Alt TA. Here he is. Awesome. Thank you for hanging out in the Discord. Much love to you, man. Much love to you. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for being part of the gang. Okay, so some indecision, maybe an anticipation for Kamala and Donald. Okay, also an anticipation for the news tomorrow, right? So we've broken out of the trend here. Let's see if we can get above this trend line, maybe retest, look for a continuation trade now. Rejection off VWAP. This looks bottom-esque. Okay, this looks bottom-esque. The problem is with our VWAP's nice on the 24, but sheesh. Not sure if I like this here. 12-minute pushing up. VWAP crossover, momentum wave trying to trigger. 8-minute triggering, VWAP crossover. Looking a little bit better here. Looking a little bit better, not convinced yet. It's this that worries me. This 1 hour. 45 here. Confirm red dot as well, 30. Confirm red dot coming out. VWAP's overextended to the downside. This kind of stuff gets people hopeful. Right? Just nice bottoming here. Market open, a little bit of chop. Then, right? So, no trade for me right now. And that's enough out of me. I mean, this has been an amazing live stream. I think there's been a ton of value here, a lot of good stuff. Right now, no trade for me. I'm going to go over to the Discord. I'll be in there. If you need any questions answered, come over and hang out over here. This is where it's at, man. This is where it's at. Uh-oh, Face just messaged me. I got to go talk to this guy. Let me go see what's up. Okay. But yeah, that's enough out of me, guys. Patience will prevail. Patience will prevail. I'll be in the Discord if you guys need anything. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. It's 10 o'clock. I mean, nothing burger so far. Looking for a couple swings down below. We'll see if we get there. I guess the trade setup was really that golden pocket rejection this morning. But for me right now, I'm not getting overly bearish or overly bullish. I think for the best part right now is a little bit of patience going into this debate and the inflation data tomorrow. So look at us roll over right now. So can we get an SFP down below 50, 56, 400? We'll see. But thank you guys for supporting the channel. It's been a pleasure to hang out with you guys. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning for that data. Much love. Peace out. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.